Good morning, my dear children. Hope you all are well at home and hope you all are doing your work quite well. It's okay? All are doing your work at home? Yes or no? Tell me. All are doing? Okay. Now, I am going to teach you again A to Z. Okay? Again, we will revise these letters. Now, come, we will revise. You have to say and write. Okay? You have to say and write. But before that, we will do this oral activity. Okay? Now, you have to repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Understood, everybody? Now, you have to put your finger, okay? And again we will repeat these letters. All of you put your finger. A, say all of you. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, G. All you have to say this one orally at home. Okay? Now, till you have written A to H. You have written A to H. Now, today I am going to teach you how to write I and J. I and J. Now, I'll show you how to write. Okay? Now, move from the bottom blue line, make slant line, go up, come down straight and make little curve I. Understood? Again, make slant line, come down straight, make curve and make dot I. Next is J. J. Okay? Now again we will move slant. Come down little till red line, go up, make dot J. Again, go up, come down till red line, go little up, make dot J. Again, now again I'll write it. Okay, all of you look at the board. Go up, come down, make curve, put dot I. Again, go up, come down straight, make curve, put dot I. Then J. Come down, go up, make dot J. Again, go up, come down till red line, go up, make dot J. Again I am showing you, okay? Then you will understand nicely. Go up, come down till blue line, make dot I. Go up till blue line, come down, make curve and put one dot I. Go up, come down till red line, make up, put dot J. Go up, come down till red line, go up, J. Okay, understood everybody? Now you have to do this one at home. Okay, in your practice copy do this work I and J, and you have to say and write. Okay, If you will not say, you will forget it. Okay? I am going to teach you the rhymes. Fun with Rhymes book. Page number 4. Page number 4. Okay? Counting with animals. Counting with animals. Now, we will start. And you have to repeat after me. You have to repeat after me. Okay? Rabbits, rabbits. Say all of you. Rabbits, rabbits. 1, 2, 3. Will you come and play with me? Again. Rabbits, rabbits. 1, 2, 3. Will you come and play with me? Camels, camels. 4, 5, 6. Why you have a hump like this? Monkeys, monkeys. 7, 8, 9. Will you teach me how to climb? When I counted up till 10, the elephant says, let's start again. Now again we will repeat. Very nice, na? This is nice rhymes. Okay, now we will start again. Rabbits, rabbits. 1, 2, 3. Will you come and play with me? Camels, camels. 4, 5, 6. Why you have a hump like this? Monkeys, monkeys. 7, 8, 9. Will you teach me how to climb? When I counted up till 10, the elephant says, let's start again. Very nice, children. Okay? Do this rhyming, okay, at home. You will do na? Previous I have taught you which one? Cleanliness. Have you learned this poem? All have learned na? Cleanliness. Okay. Now we have done these 2 rhymes. You have to learn it. Okay. Do this poem with action. Okay. And revise. Every day you have to revise these 2 poems. Okay. Very good, children. Okay. We will meet again. Bye.